आपको नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल दिया है टू फाइंड द पीएच। पहला पार्ट इसमें दिया है, दो पार्ट लेंगे क्वेश्चन इसमें। फर्स्ट पार्ट आपको पार्ट दिया है, यू आर मिक्सिंग 100 ml ऑफ 0.01 मोलर HCl प्लस 200 ml ऑफ 0.02 मोलर सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड प्लस 300 ml ऑफ 0.01 मोलर solution of कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड। पार्ट 1। पार्ट 2 आपको दिया है सॉल्यूशन में 100 ml सॉल्यूशन of pH equal to 2 mixed with 200 ml solution having pH equal to 12. On mixing the solutions, first solution mixture, second solution mixture are given to us. For both mixture of solutions you find the pH values. For both the case, for the mixture of solutions you find the pH values. Okay, try this question yourself using the basic point I given to you. Okay, done the question. Now on solving this, to solve this question, we will solve each question separately, each part separately. First, let us come first part. यहाँ पर क्या है, आपका दो एसिड दिए हुए हैं और आपका एक बेस है। दो एसिड्स हैं, एक बेस है। तो हम क्या करें ऐसे क्वेश्चन को करने के लिए, we will find the net milli equivalents of acid and base separately. तो we can find what is milli equivalent of acid. इसका फैक्टर 1 है, so normality same as molarity into volume 100 ml. सेकेंड का molarity 0.02 into n factor value 2 into volume 200 ml into volume 200 ml. कितना का सॉल्व करने पर ये 1 प्लस कितना पर जाएगा ये 0.2 into 0.04, 4 into 2 is 8 हो गया आपका 9। आप चेक कर लीजिए, 2 to 4 to 8, 100 by 100 because 8. So total we have total milli equivalent of acid is 9. Then find the milli equivalent of base. कितना टोटल मिली इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ बेस, देखिए मोलरिटी 0.01, इसका फैक्टर 2 है इंटू 2 इसका फैक्टर हुआ, ये मोलरिटी, ये इसका एन फैक्टर इंटू वॉल्यूम 300 ml, दैट इज कमिंग हाउ मच ऑफ सॉल्विंग 6, दैट इज 600 by 100 means 6. नाउ बेस इज लेस, सो बेस बिकम लिमिटिंग एजेंट, एसिड इज एक्सेस, so solution become here acidic. This solution become here acidic. So in this case for acid solution, find the normality, unit of reaction, whichever is less subtract directly, whichever is less then more. So 9 minus 6 by total volume in the denominator. Be careful for total volume. What is total volume of solution? इसका दिया है volume 100 ml plus 200 ml प्लस 300 ml, कितना वजह से आके टोटल वॉल्यूम बिकम 600 ml या 3 by 600, that is 1 by 200 on solving, cancellation. Solution have normality 1 by 200 with respect to acid. So what is pH minus log of normality of acid, you can directly take in solving questions. It is minus log of 1 by 200. This can be taken log 200 and that is how much, 2.3. So in this case our answer become pH is 2.3. So if you are given 2 or more acids or bases, don't get confused. You find total milli equivalents of acids and total milliequivalents of base, then compare. Whichever is lesser amount will act as limiting reagent, consume completely. Whichever is excess, use that one. Minus less by total volume can give the normality of acid solution. From normality of acid, find the pH value. That's your answer. Now come on second part of question. In solving second part of question, यहाँ पर क्या है pH2. pH2 का मीनिंग क्या है? सोल्यूशन आपका एसिडिक है. यहाँ पे pH12. pH12 का मीनिंग क्या है? सोल्यूशन आपका बेसिक है. एक में pH2 है, सोल्यूशन इज एसिडिक. अगले में pH12 है, मींस सोल्यूशन इज बेसिक. तो क्या करेंगे इसमें? हम निकालेंगे सेपरेट H का साइंस और OH नेगेटिव आयंस के मोल्स. तो pH2 का मीनिंग कितना होगा? व्हाट इज कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन प्लस आयंस? 10 to power minus 2. एंड pH12 का मीनिंग क्या होगा? सॉल्यूशन बेसिक है, सो व्हाट इज POH2? POH2 मींस कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ OH नेगेटिव आयंस विल बी 10 to power minus 2 मोलर. आपका सेकंड सॉल्यूशन दिया है pH12. इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा? pH12 का मीनिंग आपका हो जाएगा, सॉल्यूशन आपका बेसिक है तो POH2. POH2 का मीनिंग कितना है? कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ OH नेगेटिव आयन विल बी 10 to power minus 2 मोलर. ये OH का कंसंट्रेशन है. यहां से निकाल पाएंगे POH, ये आपको ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है. तो लेट अस कंपेयर द मोल्स. कितना मोल्स दिया है H प्लस आयंस के? मोल्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन प्लस आयंस कितना हुआ? मोलैरिटी इनटू वॉल्यूम in milliliters, when it comes millimoles. If the volume is milliliters, contain millimoles of hydrogen plus ions. Molarity into volume in milliliter 1. Then what is millimoles of OH negative ions? Molarity into volume 200 ml 2. So in this case, the H ions will act as limiting reagent. Base is excess. तो find the OH and concentration in mixture. Millimoles of OH negative ions remaining unreacted by total volume of solution 1/300. From here, what is POH? Minus log 1/300 or log 300. That is how much? 2.47. So POH is 2.47. What is pH? 14 minus POH. 11.53 is your answer. That pH of solution is coming 14 minus POH, that's 11.53. So pH can also help you to predict the nature, will help you to predict the nature. एसिड है आपका pH अगर 7 से कम है, अगर 7 से ज़्यादा pH पे सोल्यूशन बेसिक है, हम निकाल पाएंगे pH2 से कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन आयंस एंड pH12 से कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ OH नेगेटिव आयंस. फिर निकालेंगे मिलीमोल्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन आयंस 1 है, OH कितना है, मोलैरिटी इनटू वॉल्यूम इन मिलीलीटर्स 2 है, बेस एक्सेस में है OH नेगेटिव आयंस. So what is OH negative and concentration mixture? It is in mixture. After mixing, from this molarity of OH ions in mixture, find the POH and then pH. Okay. आपको next part दिया क्वेश्चन में. Find the pH on mixing 1 ml of 0.1 molar HCl plus 999 ml of 0.1 molar NaCl solution. Find the pH on mixing of 1 ml of 0.1 molar HCl solution with 999 ml of 0.1 molar NaCl solution. Okay? Try yourself. हो गया आंसर. Now in solving this question, देखिए इसमें क्या है, एक HCl क्या है, एसिड है, और ये क्या है, NaCl न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट है, न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट है. NaCl will not react with HCl. There is no reaction of NaCl because NaCl is neutral salt. So HCl and NaCl are not reacting. Without reaction of this acid and HCl, NaCl, what the role of this NaCl solution then? The role is only one, of mixing of NaCl solution, that the total volume of solution will add up. The total volume of solution will be increasing. So what is total volume of solution? But reaction will not take place. So on mixing, what is concentration of hydrogen plus ions or HCl in mixture? Moles of HCl remain unchanged. Millimoles, molarity into volume in ml, by total volume to be taken in denominator. That is 0.1 by 1000. Become 10 to power minus 4 molar. After mixing solution of NaCl, the molarity of HCl become 10 to power minus 4 molar. So solution of how much pH? Minus log of 10 to power minus 4 become 4. Is your answer. So in this case, solution of pH equal to 4. Initial solution of solution have how much pH? 1. So in NaCl solution just acting as neutral solution. Reaction will not take place, but total volume of solution will be increased. The moles will remain same, but total volume can give concentration of hydrogen ions or HCl. From here we can find the pH value of the solution. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So let us take next kind of question. Sometime they ask in exam questions that find the pH of, I will take some questions to you, like what the pH of 0.1 molar HCl. What is pH here? As per the calculations, minus log of 10 to power minus 1, solution of pH 1. If it is taken 1 molar HCl, what is pH? Equal to 0 or 10 molar HCl should have how much pH? Minus 1 should be answer. But these answers taken here are not correct. Because in calculation of pH, we write the relation pH is equal to how much? Minus log of concentration of hydrogen ions is not always applicable. देखिए, for pH calculation we have formula pH is equal to minus, actual formula क्या होता है? Minus log of activity of hydrogen plus ions. This is term taken is called as activity of hydrogen plus ions. And this activity is what? Activity can be taken simple words. It is product of concentration into gamma. This gamma can be called as activity coefficient. Gamma can be called activity coefficient. This gamma can be taken activity coefficient. देखिए इसमें लिखा not correct means especially second part especially is not correct. यहाँ पे भी nearly correct 0 but not 0 exactly until we know activity coefficient. देखिए होता क्या है? What is activity of hydrogen ions? Concentration into gamma. Gamma can be taken activity coefficient. What gamma signify? This gamma signify, it signifies the extent of dissociation of strong electrolytes. Gamma signifies the extent of dissociation of strong electrolytes. We can take for dilute solutions. Gamma is equal to 1. Gamma is equal to 1. So what happened? So for dilute solutions, activity of H ions can be taken same as concentration of hydrogen plus ions. So pH taken is minus log of concentration of hydrogen ions is applicable It is valid or applicable for dilute solutions. For dilute solutions, it is valid for dilute solutions. But if solutions are having higher concentration, we can take for concentrated solutions. Gamma will be less than 1. Gamma is less than 1. So if for them gamma is less than 1, what is activity become less than concentration of hydrogen ions. So this formula is not applicable. This formula is not applicable for solutions having higher concentration. So in such cases, when solutions are having higher concentration, like 1 molar, 10 molar, 20 molar, like that, in that kind of case, concentration of hydrogen ions will not be same as concentration of the HCl, because for them gamma become less than 1. For them gamma is less than 1. आपका एक देखिए इसमें होता क्या है कि what is HCl, strong electrolyte in solution, it can be completely ionized but not completely dissociated. दो टर्म्स का है. I already explained this term in brief to you कि that these solutions may be ionized but not completely dissociated. One term is ionization and one term is dissociation. Solution may be ionized completely but not completely dissociated. Meaning क्या होता है? If I take one example, like solutions are taken at lower concentration. At lower concentration, what happens? In per unit volume, we have less concentration, less number of moles of hydrogen plus ions or Cl negative ions. If we have less concentration of H plus ions and Cl negative ions, so what will happen? They will have less attraction forces. They will have less attraction forces among them. And when H ions and Cl negative ions are having lower concentration, interaction are less. So what happens? Solutions are completely ionized as well as completely dissociated. As well as completely dissociated. अब next आते हैं, when solutions are having higher concentration, so now we will have more number of ion pairs, more hydrogen ions, more Cl negative ions per unit volume. We have more concentration of H plus ions and Cl negative ions per unit volume. So when we have more concentration of H ions and Cl negative ions, more they have electrostatic attraction force, then ions are not able to move freely. Ions होंगे, solute क्या है इसमें? यहाँ भी solute क्या है? Completely dissociated आपका solute है. The solute is completely dissociated. Sorry, ionized but not completely dissociated. When higher concentration taken, more number of ions, more number of ion pairs, more electrostatic attraction among the ions, so they are ionized but not able to move freely, not completely dissociated. So that gamma signifies the extent of dissociation of the strong electrolytes. बच्चे फिर बोलते हैं सर समझ में नहीं आया, व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ आयनाइजेशन और डिसोसिएशन. तो आई विल टेक वन एग्जांपल. ऐसे समझाने के बच्चे बोलते हैं कि सपोज एक घर में, एक हाउस में, घर में एक हस्बैंड एक वाइफ रहते हैं, दोनों में झगड़ा हो गया है, बहुत झगड़ा हो गया है, बातचीत बंद है, बट रहते घर में साथ में ही है, इंटरेक्शंस एकदम खत्म हो गया इनमें, बट साथ में है, देखते दूसरे को है, बट बातचीत नहीं हो रही है. वो क्या होते हैं? कंप्लीटली आयनाइज हो चुके हैं. सपोज झगड़ा और बढ़ता है, इफ दे टेक डाइवोर्स, वो अपना घर चला जाएगा, वो और घर चला जाएगा. व्हेन दे टेक डाइवोर्स, दैट बिकम डिसोसिएशन. समझ में आया अभी? आयनाइज कैन बी देयर इन सॉलिड स्टेट आल्सो. कंपाउंड्स कैन बी आयनाइज्ड इवन इन सॉलिड स्टेट बट नॉट completely dissociated. But not completely dissociated. समझ में आपको आ रहा होगा शायद? आयनाइज पूरा हो सकता है, but it depends on the interaction forces as well. When solutions are having higher concentration, then ions have more electrostatic attraction. They are not able to move freely, meaning they are not completely dissociated. In dilute solutions, we have less number of ion pair per unit volume, so in them they have less electrostatic attraction force. Then ions in solution can move freely. That means they are completely ionized as well as completely or almost completely dissociated. In dilute solutions, gamma is equal to 1, meaning dilute solutions of complete dissociation. You get in exam question most commonly on the dilute solutions. तो नॉर्मली आपका ये रिक्वायर्ड पड़ता नहीं है क्वेश्चन करने के लिए. दिस एक्सप्रेशन इज नॉर्मली नॉट यूज्ड इन सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चंस. तो इन दिस केस व्हाट शुड बी आंसर? यहाँ पे हम बोलते हैं pH कैन बी टेकन अप्रोक्सीमेटली 0. यहाँ पर हम बोल पाएंगे आंसर निकालने के लिए either is nearly 0 or if gamma is given to us, then put the value of gamma into concentration of acid, find activity, then pH calculations you can do. Then you can do pH calculations if gamma is given to you. Normally आपका सिलेबस में ये क्वेश्चन नहीं आता है, एक्टिविटी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस. आपको क्वेश्चन क्या आता है? जनरली डाइल्यूट सॉल्यूशंस देते हैं जहां पर हमारा ये इक्वेशन ही लगता है एसिड के लिए. अगर बेस में निकालेंगे तो क्या आएगा? POH इज इक्वल टू माइनस लॉग ऑफ 10 टू पावर जो भी है माइनस लॉग ऑफ OH एंड कंसंट्रेशंस. ओके, सो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज मोर, बट इट इज जस्ट फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन टू यू कि pH आपको नॉर्मली नेगेटिव नहीं आना चाहिए. कितना आ सकता है आपके लिए डिपेंड होता है गामा के ऊपर. ओके, चलिए अब आते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे. अगला आपको दिया, सपोज आपको सॉल्यूशन दिया हुआ है 10 टू पावर माइनस 5 मोलर HCl. कैन यू फाइंड द pH वैल्यू? फॉर सॉल्यूशन you can take pH will be how much? It's 5. Perfectly correct. If I take 10 to power minus 6 molar HCl, what is pH of solution? This can be 6. Okay. If I take solution 10 to power minus 7 molar HCl, 10 to power minus 8 molar HCl, in this case solution of how much pH? Can you get 7 or 8 as your answers? By formula तो पता ठीक होना चाहिए कि pH will be how much? Minus log of H and concentration. 10 minus log of 10 to power minus 7, pH is 7. और here 10 to power minus 8 molar HCl minus log of 10 to power minus 8, pH become 8. लगता है करेक्ट आंसर है, बट ये दोनों आंसर करेक्ट नहीं है. दे आर नॉट करेक्ट आंसर. क्यों करेक्ट नहीं है? पहले देखिए, pH 7 का मीनिंग क्या होगा? सॉल्यूशन बिकम न्यूट्रल. दिस सॉल्यूशन कंटेन्स सम HCl. कम है तो भी कुछ HCl है सॉल्यूशन के अंदर, तो सॉल्यूशन शुड हैव pH below 7, less than 7. यहाँ पे दिया pH 7, सो करेक्ट नहीं हो पाएगा आपका ये आंसर. यहाँ पे देखते सेकंड वाले केस में pH 8 का मीनिंग क्या हुआ? सॉल्यूशन बिकम बेसिक. pH 8 का मीनिंग क्या है? सॉल्यूशन बिकम बेसिक. यहाँ पर क्या है? HCl दिया सॉल्यूशन के अंदर है. अगर सॉल्यूशन में आपका HCl दिया हुआ है तो pH क्या होना चाहिए आपका? 7 से कम होना चाहिए. यहाँ पर कितना pH आ रहा है? 8 आ रहा है. तो इसलिए आपके ये दोनों आंसर पॉसिबल नहीं है. ये दो आपको दोनों आंसर करेक्ट नहीं है. अगेन इट इज अ कॉमन क्वेश्चन टू एक्सप्लेन द कंसेप्ट pH calculation of 10 to power minus 7 molar HCl or minus 8 molar HCl, or I can add 10 to power minus 9 molar, 10 to power minus 10 molar HCl. In those cases pH can be nearly or very close to 7 but not more than 7. When solutions contain HCl, they are acidic in nature. They can have pH very close to 7 but less than 7, not more than 7. So how to solve question in such cases? How to solve this kind of questions in examinations? Okay, तो write down point, that point will help you. लिख लीजिए, write down. Whenever the concentration of, write down, whenever the concentration of acid or base is very low, whenever the concentration of acid or base is very low, write in bracket equal to or less than 10 to power minus, in fact less than 10 to power minus 6 molar, concentration of acid or base is very low, write in bracket less than 10 to power minus 6 molar. Then the concentration of hydrogen plus ions, then the concentration of hydrogen plus ions or OH negative ions from water is not negligible as compared to concentration of acid or base, full stop. In such cases to find the pH value of solution, we find total concentration of hydrogen plus ions, total concentration of H plus ions from acid and water, or total OH negative ions from base and water, and then we find pH for acidic solution or pOH for basic solution. Then we find pH of acidic solution or pOH of basic solution. लिख लिया? Now to explain this point, I will explain to this with the example of HCl taken 10 to power minus 7 molar. I write this question again. आपको solution दिया है 10 to power minus 7 molar HCl will have how much pH? तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास एक क्वेश्चन है HCl का, it given solution hydrogen plus ions plus Cl negative ions. अगला दिया है water can give H plus ions plus OH negative ions. HCl क्या है? Strong acid है, give how much hydrogen plus ions? 10 to power minus 7 molar. And from water, what can be taken? Concentration of OH negative ions. Will you tell? आप बताइए कितना आएगा इसमें? कितना आएगा? 10 to power minus 7 molar. Okay, let us write. Let it is 10 to power minus 7 molar. So in such case, then we find total concentration of hydrogen plus ions कितना होगा? आप दोनों ऐड कर लेंगे. 10 to power minus 7 molar plus 10 to power 7 molar. तो ये कितना होगा दोनों मिला के? ये आपका आएगा H plus ion from HCl, ये आपका आएगा H plus ion from water. So it is 2 into 10 to power minus 7 molar. Then what is pH of solution? Minus log of 2 into 10 to power minus 7. That is 7 minus log 2. That is 6.7. So in this case, solution at pH equal to 6.7. Are you clear? Okay, do you think it is correct answer? Do you think it is correct answer? Yes? No, it is not the correct answer. Many people have this wrong answers given. बोलते हैं कि इतना यहाँ से ले लोगे H वाटर से आएगा इतना आएगा HCl से, दोनों मिला दिया, ऐड कर लिया, इतना हुआ H concentration, then the pH is 6.7. No, my dear, it is wrong answer. This pH is not correct answer. This approach is not correct. It is not the correct answer. काफी टीचर में पढ़ाते हैं सही है कि दोनों मिला लीजिए, इतना हुआ इससे, इतना हुआ उससे, मिला के तो इतना आ गया H pH आएगा 6.7. ओके, खत्म. It is not the correct answer. कैसे करेक्ट नहीं है? Let us explain to you. Let us first explain कि why it is not correct answer. देखिए, if it is H, let us see why it is not correct answer. If it is H total, from water we should get same amount of H plus ions or OH negative ions. तो water give this much of hydrogen ions means should give same amount of OH negative ions as well. So in this case the net product of concentration of H ions into OH negative ions I can write QW. It is H ion total into OH ion कितना हुआ? This become 2 into 10 to power minus 7. ये था H ion total into OH negative. कितना हुआ? This value can be taken 2 into 10 to power minus 14. This value is more than Kw. I told you the value of Kw will not change until or unless we change temperature. यहाँ पे क्या सेम टेम्परेचर लिया हमने, नहीं भी दिया तो क्या करते हैं टेम्परेचर लेंगे 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस. उस टेम्परेचर पर कितना होना चाहिए Kw का वैल्यू? The value of Kw is 10 to power minus 14. यहाँ पे कितना है value of Q? This can be called QW. You can just go back on topic chemical equilibrium, reaction quotient. Whenever Q is more than K, Kc or Kp, if I write Qc, when Qc is more than Kc, the reaction should move in the backward direction. कौन सा reaction? Reaction of equilibrium. The reaction at equilibrium will move in the backward direction. यहाँ पर HN concentration इतना नहीं हो सकता है. क्यों? कि for this reaction if it is HN total increases, OH should decrease. How OH can decrease? The reaction of equilibrium. The reaction of equilibrium will move in the backward direction. कौन सा reaction आपका है? ये वाला second reaction. Now let us come on correct answer of this question for pH calculation. Now in this case from HCl we get concentration of hydrogen ions same 10 to power minus 7 molar. It is a strong acid. It's correct. But from water we will get concentration of hydrogen ions. I am writing as X. And this X is how much? This X is less than 10 to power minus 7 molar. This is the concentration of hydrogen plus ions in neutral solution or in pure water. But in this case, this concentration of H ion from water become less than 10 to power minus 7 molar. It can be taken due to common ion effect. It is due to common ion effect. Common ion effect. So first, before we proceed further in this question solving, write down the meaning of this common ion effect. Write down common ion effect. क्या होता है लिखिए इसका डेफिनेशन. देखिए इट इज डिक्रीज और सप्रेशन. इट इज डिक्रीज और suppression in degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte in the presence of strong electrolyte, of weak electrolyte in the presence of strong electrolyte containing common ion, a common ion. Full stop. आगे लिखिए. It is based on Lee-Chatelier's principle. It is based on Lee-Chatelier's principle. What was the Lee-Chatelier's principle? That says if a reaction is given to you at equilibrium, will try to remain at equilibrium. If it is taken in the reaction of equilibrium in pure water or the neutral solution, the concentration of hydrogen ions is equal to OH negative ions, and that is equal to how much? 10 to power minus 7 molar. The concentration of H plus ions is equal to OH negative ion, and that is equal to how much? 10 to power minus 7 molar. Now in this case, if we add any one of the common ion, H ions from acid solution or OH negative ion from base solution, so concentration of H ion increases. Like we are adding here hydrogen plus ion from HCl, so the total concentration of H plus ions increase. When total H ion increase, OH will decrease. how this OH can decrease? The reaction of equilibrium will move in the backward direction. The reaction of equilibrium will move in backward direction. So when the reaction is going in the backward direction, this X will be less than 10 to power minus 7 molar. Are you clear? X become less than 10 to power minus 7 molar. Now to find the accurate answer, now we can find total concentration of hydrogen ions. We can write how much? 10 to power minus 7 molar plus X. This come from HCl, this come from water. X come from water, and as per the Kw expression is constant. It is product of Hn total into OH and concentration. What the value of Kw? 10 power minus 14 is equal to Hn total X plus 10 to power minus 7 molar into X is OHn. So you can write X square plus 10 to power minus 7x minus 10 power minus 14 equal to 0. Now this become a quadratic equation. Equation become quadratic from where we can find the value of x. The value of x which is acceptable. Can you find the value of x? आप निकालेंगे इसका x का वैल्यू. अब चेक कर लीजिए निकाल के. इसमें अगर आप सॉल्व करते हैं तो कितना है x का वैल्यू? 0.61 या नियरली 0.61 into 10 to power minus 7 molar. It is less than 10 to power minus 7. So on solving this, x will come 0.61 into 10 to power minus 7 molar. So on solving this, now what is total H plus ion concentration? 10 to power minus 7 plus x 0.61 into 10 to power minus 7 molar कितना हुआ? 1.61 into 10 to power minus 7 molar. Now what is pH from here on solving? 7 minus log 1.61, that will give pH of solution nearly 6.8 as your answer. See, in the previous case we get the pH value how much? 6.7. We get the pH value 6.7, यहाँ 6.8 है. आपको सब डिफरेंस ऑफ 0.1 यूनिट का ही तो है, तो ये भी ठीक है वो भी ठीक है. नहीं, इट इज करेक्ट आंसर. अगर आपको ऑप्शन में दिया हुआ है 6.7 and 6.8, which is correct answer 6.8, because we have seen the previous case we have taken the wrong expression for getting pH 6.7. wrong क्यों था? Because we have not taken care of common ion effect. I told you earlier, I am again repeating once more, be careful of common ion effect. It makes the answer mostly uncommon. अगर आपको ऑप्शन में दोनों दिए हुए, definitely you have to take the correct answer, most correct answer is your answer. So in this case solution at pH equal to how much? 6.7. okay, if I write right now, we have taken pH of 10 to power minus 7 molar HCl. pH is coming 6.8. if I take 10 to power minus 7 molar HCl, solution at pH very close to 7, slightly less than 7, it come out around 6.97 or 98. आप निकाल सकते हैं इसको. Sorry, minus 8 molar. 10 to power minus 8 molar HCl will have pH 6.97 approximately. To find this pH, you can again use same approach. Concentration from water can be x of H ions and OH is also x. Find net concentration of hydrogen ions, then pH value. So that is your answers in this question. Similarly, if I write the next example, if it is taken 10 to power minus 5 molar NaOH, 10 to power minus 6 molar NaOH, 10 to power minus 7 molar NaOH, or 10 to power minus 8 molar NaOH, will you find the answer of pH? All are basic solutions, so find the pH only. I am asking pH of all the solutions. Tell all the pH without calculation, just by observation. Can you find the answer? Tell all the pH values of solutions without calculation. You can use the previous example answers for your help. यहाँ पर क्या है solution NaOH का 10 to power minus 5 molar. What is POH? 5. What is pH? 9. 14 minus 5 is 9. In this case pH can be taken nearly 8 चलेगा. यहाँ पर कितना pH आपका? You cannot write pH value 7 because again solution is basic, should have pH more than 7. So POH in this case will be 6.8. So what is pH in this case? 7.2. Since POH will be 6.8, calculations are same. Just like pH calculation of 10 to power minus 7 molar HCl. Here OH negative ions of NaOH will have common ion effect, and therefore total OH ions you can find, and then POH after pH. After that pH you can find out. POH will become 6.8, pH will become 7.2. यहाँ पर कितना आएगा? POH is 6.97, so pH 7.03 as your answers. So I hope it is clear. So this can be taken in different cases for pH calculation of strong acids, strong bases, or there are some mixtures, very dilute solutions, or solutions which are highly concentrated. That is pH calculation up to here. Now next we will take pH calculation of weak acids and weak bases, Ostwald dilution law, degree of dissociation. Let us come on next part.